Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can use ChatGPT for resume. So this is a really powerful way to use ChatGPT, and first what we are going to be doing is searching for jobs. So we're going to be simply typing here top 5 trending jobs in 2023, and once you enter that prompt you will get a list of jobs, and let's say you get an idea of jobs. After that what you can do is you're simply going to be copying one of these jobs and you're going to be writing a resume for that particular job. So simply paste it on your command prompt, and after that you're going to be typing write a resume for this particular job. Enter it into your command prompt and you can see ChatGPT will automatically analyze that particular job and write a resume for that. You can simply copy it onto your Word file and edit it according to your liking and your personal experiences. So you can also modify it using ChatGPT further commands as well. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.